Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2018 Chrysler 300. This vehicle still has fewer than 30,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The 300 delivers the smart technology you need to be safe and connected, a ride that's smooth and quiet, and bold styling that conveys an air of distinction. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, fog lamps, adaptive cruise control, remote engine start, backup camera, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers. Experience the distinguished elegance of the 300. Come in for a test drive.